Hi guys, welcome to Shitty Roadside Repairs channel. BMW 330X drive, E92, M57 engine, no start issue. So, as you can see, and you see the button. I press the brakes and nothing. Here the click of the relay. It is terminal 50 relay, I think, in the car access system block, which is somewhere here. So listen to that sound when I click. So, and that's it. There is no sound coming from the starter. Okay, I will put it on the control terminal. Yeah, try to start it again. Try to start it again. Yeah, there is a voltage on control terminal. And try to start it again. I used again super long extension with the U-joint there. I hope you can actually see it there a bit, at least a bit. So anyway, you need 10 millimeters U-joint because the bigger size won't fit there, and you need a lot of extensions, and you need to unscrew it somewhere near your transfer case. One tool set of wrenches, it's not enough here. This is how the place for the starter looks like, and in order to have an access for the starter, I detached the pressure converter for engine mounts and also the EGR pressure converter and put them here. So you have a lot of space here to remove it, and just two bolts. You can install it from top by hand and then just screw it the same way, like with the long extension bars. 45 Newton meters. This is what I found in the specification. Now the front prop shaft is mounted, so ideally those bolts should be replaced, and it is 20 Newton meters and 45 degrees. Those are TTY bolts and they should be replaced. I reinstalled the old one, and without unmounting the front shaft you won't get access there, just because there is no place here at all for the long extension bar, so keep that in mind. So as you can see, this is how it looks like after it is assembled. So new bolts, you know, that bolt, you can't unscrew them from top, no way, simply no way at all. On my channel I have a video about intake manifold installation, you know, removal, so I'm not going to show it in this video.